Hello, good morning students. Welcome to another tutorial video of maths. Today we are going to see some remaining question of previous exercise, which is exercise 1C. So let's get started. So exercise 1C, question number 11. A cooling machine requires that room temperature to be lowered from 50 degree centigrade at the rate of 5 degree every 1 hour. What will be the room temperature after 8 hours after process begins? So what actually question says that suppose the room temperature of any particular room is about 50 degree centigrade. So their cooling machine is installed and the cooling machine cool the temperature of the room every 1 hour. It's lower down the temperature of the room by 5 degree. Okay, so if cooling machine starts and after 1 hour the room temperature after 1 hour is 50 minus 5, which is 45, and after 2 hours again 5 degree centigrade less, so it's after 2 hours it's about 40 degree centigrade. So question says that what will be the room temperature after 8 hours. So currently, so here we solve the question. So current temperature of the room is 50 degree centigrade. Cooling machine lowered the temperature at the rate of 5 degree per hour. Okay, so therefore the room temperature after 8 hours, so what is the current temperature is 50, and lower the temperature, it means minus the temperature at what rate? 5, or how many what the time that the cooling machine works? 8 hours. So 5 into 8 is 40. So 40 degree centigrade will be minus from 50 degree centigrade, and the answer comes is 10 degree centigrade. Okay, hope you understand the question. Okay, next question. In a competitive exam containing 24 questions, 5 marks is awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 marks awarded for not attempted. Okay, so what first part says, David attempt 8 correct and 16 incorrect answer, find his scores. So solving the first part, so what the question says that in a competitive exam there is only 24 questions, and for attempting every correct answer the 5 marks will be awarded, 5 marks for every correct answer, and for incorrect answer there is negative marking too. For every incorrect answer the minus 2 will be deducted from the scored number, and for unattempted question the marks awarded will be 0. So in the case of David is attempted 8 correct answer, in which 8 correct answers. So what is the score awarded for 8 correct answers? 8 into 5, which is 40 marks. And for incorrect answer he attempted 16 incorrect answer, so marks deducted for incorrect answer is 16 minus 2. So minus denote the marks will be deducted from the scored marks, so which is minus 32 marks will be deducted. And so the total score of David, and one more thing, David doesn't leave any question, so he attempted full question, okay, full 24 out of 24 question. So there is no unattempted question in case of David. So total score will be 40 plus bracket minus 32. When bracket opens, minus plus minus minus, so 40 minus 32 is 8. Simple. So here the second part is your homework, in which Ravina attempted 16 correct question, 8 incorrect question, and here also Ravina attempt a full 24 question, no unattempted question is there. So you can easily solve this by following the steps which I have done in part 1. Okay, so part 2, part C will be there. So part C says that Hamid attempt 4 question correct. So marks for correct question is 4 into 5, which is 20. Hamid attempt 12 incorrect question, so marks deducted for incorrect question is 12 into minus 2, which is minus 24. And Hamid does not attempt 8 question. So here we see that 4 correct question and 12 incorrect question. So total Hamid attempt only 16 question. So what the question left? How many question left for Hamid? 16, which is deducted from total number of question, which is 24. 24 minus 16 is 8. So 8 question will be unattempted. So you can write also here is 24 minus 16 comes 8. Okay, Hamid does not attempt 8 question. So marks for unattempted question is 16 minus 16 into 0, because 0 will be awarded for unattempted question. So answer will be 0. So total marks of Hamid for correct answer 20, incorrect answer minus 24, and unattempted 0. Add them here, plus minus minus, and 0 to 0. So minus 24, minus 4 will be the answer. So his score is in minus. Moving towards next question. Next question is, an electrical company earns a profit of rupees 80 on every color TV. So here is the company which says that the company earns 80 rupees profit for every color TV. So whatsoever be the price of a TV, if the company sell the TV, company earns 80 rupees profit. And company also manufacture refrigerator too, and company says that for selling a piece of refrigerator, a company loses 60 rupees. It means a company earns profit by selling a TV, and company suffered loss for selling a refrigerator, which is 60 rupees. So A part says that company sell 5,000 pieces of TV and 4,000 pieces of refrigerator in a month. So what is the profit or loss percentage? So writer want to say that find the profit or loss percent. So we have to solve this question if the whole transaction, whole addition or subtraction of the question comes in positive. So positive sign denote that the company earns profit, and negative sign, negative value comes. If negative value comes, then it shows that company suffered loss. So here we solve the question. Company earns profit by selling each color TV is 80 rupees, and company earns loss or you can say suffered loss by selling a refrigerator is minus 60. Here minus 60 denote that it is a loss and plus denote that it is a profit. So company 5,000 pieces and company sell refrigerator 4,000 pieces. So total gain or loss percentage 5,000 into plus 80 plus 4,000 minus 60. So multiply them, we got 4 lakh rupees and here is 2,40,000 rupees. So deducting 2,40,000 from 4 lakh, we got 1,60,000 rupees. So value comes in positive. We write that since the value comes positive, here is 1,60,000 in positive, so company earns profit. So positive sign denotes that the whole transaction gives gain or profit. So company earns profit in this question. In second case says that we are going to solve second case, and second case is very good. Find the number of TV it must be sell. We have to find out the number of TV to have neither profit nor loss, in which neither profit nor loss. If the number of sold refrigerator is 4,000, मतलब कि कितने नंबर ऑफ टीवी कंपनी सेल करे कि जब रेफ्रिजरेटर 4,000 बेचते हैं तो बेचने पर भी उन्हें ना तो गेन हो ना तो लॉस हो, मतलब कि ये जो इज इक्वल टू वाला पार्ट है यहाँ पे ज़ीरो होना चाहिए. बेसिकली वो नो गेन और लॉस, तो दिस पार्ट मस्ट बी ज़ीरो. जहाँ पे गेन और लॉस लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे ज़ीरो आएगा. और यहाँ पे हमें नंबर ऑफ टीवी निकालना है कि कितने टीवी वो बेचें. तो यहाँ जो 5,000 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे कोई भी वेरिएबल पुट कर देंगे और बस हमारा आंसर निकल आएगा. तो देखते हैं. Let the company sell X number of color TV so that the company has neither gain or loss. Therefore, gain or loss will be zero. So gain or loss will be zero. Now, according to question, company sell refrigerator 4,000 pieces. Gain or loss percent is 80 into x and 4,000. We put any variable x over there because we have to find out this value x की वैल्यू क्या होगी. 4,000 तो पीसेस हैं रेफ्रिजरेटर के जिसपे हमें 60 रुपीज़ का लॉस होता है और टीवी बेचने पर 80 का प्रॉफिट होता है. और गेन और लॉस में हमें ज़ीरो चाहिए क्योंकि ना तो गेन हो रहा है ना तो लॉस हो रहा है. तो ये वैल्यू क्या आएगी, ज़ीरो आएगी. तो अब हम सॉल्व करते हैं. 80 इंटू एक्स, 80x 4,000 into 60 is 2,40,000 rupees minus, because minus plus minus. So when this value comes to this side of equal to, the sign of the value changes from minus to plus. Here positive 2,40,000 rupees and this is 80x. Now this value, this 80 comes in the denominator of this value for division. 1 0 cancel and 8 3 is 24 and rest of the 0 will be come to this 3 so the value comes with 3,000 rupees. 24 3 is this. 3000 is equal to X. So how many number of pieces of TV sold so that the company face neither gain or nor loss percentage. So the TV pieces must be sold by the company is 3000 pieces. So अगर कंपनी 3000 पीसेस टीवी बेचेगी और 4000 रेफ्रिजरेटर बेचेगी, तो इस केस में ना तो कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होगा ना ही कंपनी को लॉस होगा। अगर वो 3000 पीसेस एक मंथ में टीवी बेचेगी और 4000 पीसेस रेफ्रिजरेटर बेचेगी एक मंथ में, उसी मंथ में, तो कंपनी को क्या होगा? कंपनी को ना तो गेन होगा। सो साइनिंग आउट फ्रॉम दिस ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो, बाय।